United Kingdom versus Germany country comparison. National flag. National anthem. Official language. Currency. National animal. National sport. Famous leader. Parliament name. Hated symbol. National motto. Capital city. Population. Geographical size. Highest point. Major river. Climate. Bordering countries. Time zone. Main religion. Immigrant population. GDP. Unemployment rate. Exports leader. Largest industry. Famous companies. World's first invention. Innovation ranking. Famous inventor. Major export partner. Cost of living. Tea. Famous dish. Driving side. Famous landmark. Famous festival. Cinema popularity. Music icon. Dress code. Favorite alcohol. Weekend hobby. Colonial history. World War contribution. Education system. Healthcare system. Legal system. Famous university. Royal family. Military strength. Global soft power. Social attitude. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.